Okay, so we were saying that half past any hour, the long hand is going to be on the 6, and that is 30 minutes past the hour, half past. So let's look. So that's 0 minutes, and then remember we counted 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, so there we go. That's half past. That's halfway around our clock. 30. So 30. So half past 7. How about you fix that to half past 7? So the shorthand is going to go on the hour. Like the first number, like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So if I want to put it half past 7, the shorthand is going to go where? On 7. And then what about the long hand? That goes halfway around the clock. Where's halfway around the clock? Remember, halfway around the clock. The clock starts here. Halfway is right here at the 30, which is the 6. So 7:30 is going to look like this. Okay? And watch this. 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, and these are all half past. Half past 11, which is 11:30. Half past 12 is 12:30. Half past 1 is
1:30.
And at 2:30 is half past
2:30.
Half past 2. And 3:30 is half past
3.
And what time is this? Half past 4, which is 4:30. You are correct. Good job. And I have
on a jar too.
Yeah, this is what you're going to do during your independent time, which is bingo, which we have clocks that are going to tell you times to the hour and half past. So we're going to do that. But for right now, we are going to count our money. Do you remember counting our money, what we've been practicing?
Yeah, it's been hard.
It's been hard. That's okay. With practice, it will get easier. So let's look at that. Okay, these are the biggest coins, which are, do you remember what they're called? The big silver coins. And they're worth 25 cents.
Penny?
25. Big is quarters. Yeah, they're quarters. So these are quarters. Sit up, please, honey. So this is 25 cents, and this is 25 cents. And do you remember if you put them together, you add 25 plus 25? Do you remember that?
No.
50 cents. And then if you add another 25 cents, 25, 50,
60.
75 cents.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. And then if we have 4 quarters, that's another 25 cents. What do we have? 25, 50, 75?
80.
Remember, 100 cents, which is $1.
Like you count.
So
just like this.
This is the clock, but this is money. So when we do quarter hours on the clock, they're going to be 15 minutes. But these quarters are 25 cents. Okay, so 4 quarters equals $1. Ready? So that's $1. So we put the dollars over here, and then we have what separates our dollars from our cents. Do you remember? What's this called? Decimal?
Decimal.
Okay, and now we're going to put our cents here. So let's count. Do you remember what these are called?
Penny.
These are silver, and they're smaller than the quarters. The pennies are usually brown. And I know this made it hard to see, but this one is copper or brown.
Nickel?
So this is a penny right here. That is a penny. I know it's kind of hard to see.
Oh,
sorry
nickel?
about that.
What about
These,
nickel?
well, the nickels are a little bigger than these. but still
Dime?
smaller than these. Yes, these are dimes. Do you remember how much dimes are worth?
Wait,
So the pennies are worth how much? Do you know? Do you remember?
I forgot the song. I'm trying to get
Oh, the
to
pennies,
the part
nickels,
when
dimes.
I was trying to get to the part when they said how much.
You learned a song?
25 cents?
The quarters are 25 cents.
Oh,
How much are the pennies? Do you remember that? They're
1 cent.
1 cent only. And then do you remember nickels? Do you know how much nickel is worth? 5 cents.
Oh.
And now these, you are correct. These are dimes. Do you remember? That's the last one. We have quarters are 25 cents, pennies 1 cent, nickels are 5 cents, and what's a dime worth?
Dime.
Do you remember how much they're worth? $0.10, yes. So if this is 10 cents, this is 10 cents, this is 10 cents, and this is 10 cents.
10 cents.
Let's count them now. Ready?
Can I have some water?
You will in a second.
Okay.
So let's count. 10.
And 9. 8.
So these are dimes. So there's 4 of these dimes. So we have to count them by tens. 10.
12.
If you have 10 and you add another 10, how much is that?
20.
10, 20.
30. 40.
So that's 40 cents. And if you add this one little penny to the 40 cents, how much do you have? What's 40 plus 1?
41.
41 cents. So here we had our 4 quarters, which is $1. And here, why don't you write this? 41 cents. And we don't need the cent sign if we have the dollar and the decimal point. So that says $1.41. Is it kind of hard?
Yes, but without you, it's hard.
But it will get easier as we practice more, okay? Okay. So, did you have a good time with this?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna practice more each lesson, and
I like it.
we are going to play. Well, you can play with your brother the time bingo.
What if
okay?
he doesn't? I'm just gonna tell on him.
Okay. All right. Say thank you.
Thank you.